We're going to try it again.
I'm assuming you're gonna post these to Facebook.
Yes, I am. And Instagram, too.
Should be like my beastie ass friend here.
Let's give it a whirl.
Okay, Joseph.
I got it.
Okay, now try to push it from the back.
Okay, you bet I got this.
Hold on, it's still rolling.
That's fine.
I got it. Yes. Now, I'm gonna try to push it back.
Is this slanted downwards?
Probably.
Oh, come on, I can move you forward. Forward. Stop rolling. Move forward. Move forward.
I wanna try.
Here, you try that.
It's still on the dirt.
Yeah, I know.
Here, let me help you.
Okay.
Together now. 1, 2, 3.
I can't push it.
No! Stop rolling backwards. There.
There you go. Get out of the ditch. There's a concrete right there. There you go. Now you both got grip. Come on, just get angry. Come on.
Move forward! Forward! Oh, shit. It keeps moving backwards. Why?
I think this is at a downhill slant a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put
I
the
was
brakes
pushing
on
it
this
with
thing.
my leg.
Huh?
I was pushing it with my leg.
And that is how you properly push a goat.